Hey home chefs, have you ever tried a chicken wonton stir fry? I had this crazy idea to make it in my kitchen. I used Trader Joe's chicken cilantro mini wontons and I added them to my regular vegetable stir fry recipe. So you're going to learn how to take frozen wontons and turn them into a delicious wonton stir fry recipe like I am in this video. I can't wait to take you in the kitchen and show you how to make it. Let's do it. Make sure to subscribe to Sip Bite Go today on YouTube, or go ahead and head over to sipbitego.com to print out the recipes that are already up. I do have a ton of new ones coming in the couple of months ahead for you, including grilled pizzas and other really creative pizza ideas that your family will love. So I'm just going to quickly share with you some of the ingredients that I used for the pot sticker stir fry or the wonton stir fry. What I did is I diced a carrot, I had a cup of cauliflower, I had 2 tablespoon shallots, I had asparagus spears diced to about an inch, and all of that made up the vegetable stir fry base. And then I added some guacamole to it at the end using an avocado with some garlic salt and fresh cilantro. If you can't tell, I love a lot of herbs. And then what I used for the main bulk of the recipe was 12 pot stickers. They're actually Trader Joe's mini wontons. And then I used some teriyaki sauce, which is also the Trader Joe's soyaki teriyaki. And then I used some water and some Thai basil. So I'm going to show you step by step how the actual process of the stir fry portion goes, because I know it's hard for some people. They end up burning stir fries. So I'm going to teach you how to make a stir fry, but with wontons. So the first thing to do is actually to make the guacamole for pot sticker stir fry. So you remove the skin and the pit from the avocado. I love when I open up the avocado and it's that bright, beautiful green. And then you dice the avocado and add it to a bowl. And then you add some garlic salt. I love my Jacobsen's garlic salt. They're from Portland, where I'm from as well. And then some fresh cilantro. Now, if you don't have cilantro, that's okay, but I do love adding some fresh herbs to this. If I had some lime on hand, I'd add that as well, but this is perfectly fine. And I just use a fork to mash the avocado and dry seasonings together. And then you just leave the guacamole aside while you make the pot sticker stir fry. Now, pan frying the wonton stir fry goes pretty quickly. What I like to do is I like to heat a medium skillet on the stove to medium high, or I do have some really great woks. I love using a big wok for this sort of stir fry as well. And then add olive oil to the stir fry pan, and then add the raw diced vegetables and add the frozen pot stickers at the same time. And here I use Trader Joe's chicken cilantro mini wontons. They come frozen. They're in the freezer aisle at Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's wontons and Trader Joe's pot stickers, so I use them all the time in my recipes here at Sip Bite Go. Anyways, I cook the vegetables and the pot stickers on the stove for a few minutes, stirring occasionally so the ingredients don't stick to the pan or burn. And make sure that they cook on all sides. So I usually use tongs at this part, and I move the vegetables and the mini chicken wontons from Trader Joe's around the pan. And then it's time to add teriyaki sauce and simmer all the ingredients together. So once the wontons are browned, add the teriyaki sauce. Here I use Trader Joe's soyaki teriyaki sauce. Then I added water and covered and reduced the heat to medium-low. Now, don't leave it on medium-high while it's simmering. You want it to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes until almost all of the liquid has evaporated from the wok or the pan that you're using. And then you can remove the cover from the pan and stir the wonton stir fry until all water evaporates. Then it's time to plate and serve. So you just remove the wonton stir fry from the heat and plate the stir fry with guacamole and a sprinkle of fresh Thai basil. I have so many recipes that use herbs like this because I love growing them in my AeroGarden. Make sure to head over to sipbitego.com to see some other Trader Joe recipe favorites I have, and also check out all of my really fragrant, beautiful dishes that I make. Doesn't this look so good? I just love a stir fry for lunch. It's one of the easiest work from home lunches that I make. It only takes about half hour from chopping the veggies to preparing them. And if I do some meal prep with stir fry ingredients on a Monday, then I could make the stir fries much faster throughout the week. I can't wait to show you how to make this ravioli pizza on flatbread with Alfredo sauce. It's so delicious, and really it uses a lot of ingredients you probably have either in your pantry or your refrigerator right now. And freezer if you have a little secret stash of pasta in your freezer like I do. And one of the best parts is I'm not even using real pizza dough. I'm using actually flatbread naan for this recipe, which makes it really easy to throw together on a weeknight. So I can't wait to take you in the kitchen and show you how to make this on Sip, Bite, Go. I have so many delicious pizza recipes. Can't wait to share them all with you. Make sure to subscribe to Sip, Bite, Go today on YouTube, or go ahead and head over to sipbitego.com to print out the recipes that are already up. I do have a ton of new ones coming in the couple of months ahead for you, including grilled pizzas and other really creative pizza ideas that your family will love. Subscribe today. Well, I hope you're thoroughly inspired to make yourself a delicious Trader Joe's wonton stir fry. I love using Trader Joe's ingredients for stir fries. I also have recipes available with their cauliflower rice in stir fries. And so I have so many other recipes coming up on Trader Joe's ingredients so soon. Make sure to subscribe to the Sip, Bite, Go channel on YouTube to check them out. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!